Hey everyone, my name is Rajat. Today I am super excited to tell you all that I have achieved a landmark to become a FlexiFunnel ambassador. I have generated a revenue of a 51,000 rupees by providing a web designing service for my client. See, I am not a coding guy. I am from a mechanical engineering background, but still I am able to make a website just because of a FlexiFunnel. FlexiFunnel is a really simple to use product. It has just simple drag and drop features. By using this, you can make any website, any landing page, or any funnel. See, mechanical engineering guy making a website. So now you can imagine how it is easy to use. I will also like to tell you that FlexiFunnel is India's first funnel builder. It is made by Saurabh Bhatnagar sir. So I would like to thank Saurabh Bhatnagar sir for making this such a wonderful product, and I would also like to thank his team and especially the FlexiFunnel support staff. They are really supportive. They solve all my queries in just a few minutes. So I would like to thank all of them, and thank you so much for your support and love you all. Thank you.